Exploring the phrase, slide out, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very interesting English phrase, slide out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Slide out is a phrasal verb that often refers to something that moves smoothly from one place to another. Imagine sliding a tray out of an oven or a drawer out of a desk. The action is smooth, deliberate, and typically without a sudden or jarring movement. Example: can you slide out the tray from the oven for me? Like many English phrases, slide out can also be used in a metaphorical sense. This can mean to leave a place quietly or without drawing attention. Example: I didn't want to attend the whole meeting, so I tried to slide out quietly during the break. In the realm of technology, especially with gadgets and devices, slide out often refers to a component that moves out from the main body of a device. Think about phones with slide-out keyboards or a television with a slide-out panel. Example: I miss the old phones with the slide-out keyboards. There you have it. Slide out can be about a physical movement, sneaking out without drawing attention, or a feature in a device. We hope this video clarifies the phrase for you. And remember, English is full of such intriguing phrases. Keep learning and slide out into the world with your newfound knowledge. Until next time,